Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and I will be showing you how to save a picture from the web onto your desktop. So you can look up any picture you would like. I decided to do a rainbow. And so all you will have to do is, so you look up your picture like I said, you either can, if you want, double click it and it will show up all these things, and you want to click Save Image As. And so here you go, we have, and we are going to choose, like I said, our desktop. That way it's easier just to find. Let me see how to move. So okay, look over here. Like I said, you have all these options where to save it. And this will show you that we want to choose desktop. And I'm going to call this Rainbow Cartoon. And there we go. We're going to save it from our desktop and we're going to choose save. And so then we're going to be able to go over here and it shows up right there on our desktop. And there is a different other way. So if we want to go, we want to make our screen smaller, we click up here, over here, and we can just drag the picture actually to our desktop. And there we can click it if we would like. And let me move this over. And it would open it in our photos, and we can click right here and save it again, save as. And obviously if we go to desktop again, it'll save it to our desktop. We can rename it, make sure it goes to our desktop, and you see how I have already those two pictures. So that's just two easy ways you can save a picture onto your desktop. That way it's so much easier to find, and that way you don't have to go through all those files. Thank you.